Good afternoon. I am Dr. Amitava Ghosh from EduTech. Today, I shall discuss about one part of statistics, one portion of statistics, that is frequency distribution. Frequency distribution is a very important part of the statistics. We are collecting data from different parts, and these data may be grouped or ungrouped. And this grouped or ungrouped data we depict by different graph types. Before to prepare any graph, we have to do some frequency distribution. Then we apply frequency distribution method, which helps in graphical presentation. Suppose we have taken 100 numbers of data of age group of different school students of primary school. We collect the data, thereafter we prepare the frequency distribution. These frequency distribution sometimes symmetrical, that is Bell separate. That means it starts from very low number to high number, but the most number are present in the middle portion, so that the curve will be Bell separate. That is, in two parts, in right hand and left hand part, the proportions are equal. But in sometimes, the curve is not Bell separate. It is asymmetrical. That is, it is skewed. It is skewed means it is positive side and this is negative. It is positive side and this is negative side. Sometimes it is in negative side. Most of the population belongs to negative side, and the lower part portion of the population is in the positive side. And if we do the mean, and we will see the mean is lying here. Mean is lying here. This is mean. This is asymmetrical. In some cases, population is very different type. There is most of the students, age of the students, as per my frequency distribution, is a negative side. That is, their number is very high. Their number is very high of the students who belongs to lower age group, and a higher age group students are very low in number, and the graph is like J7. Sometimes it is U7. That is, the proportion of lower age group students are almost equal to higher age group pupils, but in the middle, the students belongs within the lower and higher age group pupils. These both types of frequency distribution curve are very important in our statistical method.